Hello and welcome to this short video we've put together just to outline some of the processes we've put in place during this time. When you turn up at the dealership, you come through the main entrance at the front, follow the road round to the left, and that will bring you to this area where I'm standing now, which is our main car parking area for our service and sales customers. The entrance to our showroom is just over here to the left, and the entrance to our service department is just over in the corner on my right hand side. Once your vehicle is safely parked up in the car park and you're making your way over to the service department, please try and keep to the right hand side of these barriers. There's some floor markers to try and help you make sure you maintain a 2 metre distance from any other customers. Try and limit the number of people in our dealership at any one point. We're operating an appointment only basis, so please try and make sure you turn up on time for your appointment. Also, due to the size of our reception, we're limiting it to no more than 3 people at any one time. So when you reach the front, if you see that there's 3 people inside already, please wait for someone to leave before you enter the building. As you come into our service reception, you'll notice on the left hand side we have a table with some products on. We've got hand sanitizer, surface cleaner, some more alcohol cleaner, gloves, mask and some blue roll. All of our staff will be wearing gloves and masks, and we'd encourage our customers to do the same. Once you've sanitised your hands, if you can make your way up on the right hand side to the back of the room. This is our waiting area. You'll see there's a blue line on the floor. If you could please make sure you stand behind this line until the next person leaves or you're called forward by one of our service advisors. As you walk forward, you're dealing with our service advisor and the time comes for you to hand over your keys. If you could please place your keys in one of these pots, your keys will be sanitised prior to the vehicle being taken into the workshop. We will, of course, re-sanitise the keys before they're being handed back to you as well on vehicle collection. As you get up to leave, we'd advise you if you could please re-sanitise your hands again at the station over here and keep to the right as you go out, just to avoid any other customers that might be trying to come in at the same time. Prior to your vehicle entering our workshop, our technicians will be sanitising the usual touch points. These will be the door handles, the steering wheel, the gear stick, handbrake and any seat adjustments as well. Our technicians will also be using disposable seat covers on your vehicle, as well as gloves and masks, and again they will re-sanitise these touch points once the work has been completed on your car. Finally, I'd like to say thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. We look forward to welcoming you to our dealership here at St Albans. In the meantime, stay safe.